Good morning, guys. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yo, everybody, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Like up the stream. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I know I didn't mention that I was going live, but a little bit delayed, Little bit delayed, but yes, I will be with you all in like 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes. Happy Friday. Thumbs up on the YouTube site, not the chat. Listen to Master Edward Scissorhands. Listen to the man. Three minutes, everybody. 3 minutes. Let's get everybody in here. Everybody like the stream. Like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. Like it up. Caps, leave caps alone. Do not touch this thing. Do not touch it. 1 minute till we get started. We need everybody in here. There's only 20 people in here. I don't know where everyone is. Everyone's sleeping in because it's Friday or what? Get it moving. Get it moving. Tell your girlfriend, boyfriend, ex-husband, whatever you need to do. Get them in here. Cat, dog. Get them in. We are live now. Join up. Get everybody in here. Co-workers, bosses, anyone. Get them all in. Get them all in. Looks good. This cabin looks good. Give me 1 sec, guys. Any charts? Ask on YouTube, please. I don't know why my Twitter posts are still delayed. It's really interfering with my interactions, which is kind of annoying on Twitter because people are not even be able to see it or anything. I know I've put it at verified followers, but yeah, you need to just tag me, tagline trains, and ask me what chart to do, and I'll do that. I think that's the best way to do it. Good morning. Hello, traders. What up? What up? What up? What up? Hello, traders. What up? IR1. IR.1. AMST. What's happening with AMST? So, AMST closed above. Once it closed above, then we have to use the candlestick strategy, Discord members. Just because it closed above, you cannot take the trade. You need a confirmation. Alright, so what we can do is let's just remove this, and now we can just wait and see what happens. Like, I would maybe adjust this line a bit and do something like this, update it a bit, but yeah, it's below view up right now and psychological support. You want a candle body to close above. Once it closes above, then Discord members, you can apply the candlestick strategy. So when that closes above, then you know what you need to do, mark the levels like this, and then you can take the trade once it's done the levels that we need. Alright, so let's see here. AMST still needs downtrend rate. Yeah, I've been a little bit all over the place. I came home late because there's tons of traffic. Friday here, busy, busy, busy. Thumbs up on the site. That's right. Listen to Mr. Edward. Like up the streams. Let's go. Kaba's like, I like Kaba. I like Kaba, I like Kaba, I like Kaba. I'm just going to remove this falling wedge. Yeah, it's broken out of it, all good and well. But what we notice is that we have a little resistance level here, 220. 224, we can use this 220. Yeah, we can use 220. So we are above VWAP, which is a very good sign. Maybe we've broken above it, maybe retest here to continue to push up. Let's see what we can do with this side here. Request ticket morning kiddos for school. Yes, love it. Get it on the aux on the way to, or the CarPlay. Get it on the way to school. Can coach. We'll coach them, or I'll coach them. TOPW. TOPW is obviously running crazy. What we can do is look left. I like to use the 4 hour. Let's go left. Big level there. No way this is all-time highs. Is this all-time highs or is this IPO dip price? This is IPO. Interesting. Well, it's broken this level, which is extremely bullish. So when it's broken, if this is the IPO level or the highs, all-time highs, I like to just use psychological levels. So now we can use like $15. Probably smash through all these levels. So like 15, then maybe like $17.50, then $20. Right? These are just my own levels that I've put out here, but yeah, this is what we can use for now. So you can, this is a good guideline. Breaks 15, got 750, and then 17.50, then $20. TOPD, breaking key resistance. If this breaks its own high, the own high is here, whatever this high is at like $15, looks good. My Discord members are something else, I tell you. My Discord members are something else. Rightio, what can we do here? Let's check the questions. Chart request, Discord members. Well, if you're in, you can't even hear me if you're not in here. But yeah, join in. Any Discord members, if you can just tell Discord members to join here if they have any chart requests, because I'm not going to do it in the Discord right now. Yeah, TOPW is absolutely insane. For me, I cannot chase this. I cannot trade this. I don't know how to trade this. What I do suggest is that if it breaks a certain high, then maybe it'll be good, but you only have 20 seconds. Doubt it'll break it by then. What up, Totes? Totes, what are you doing this weekend? You going on the boat? Nice summer days in the US right now. Good temps. AIRE. Nothing on this. Below VWAP. Your entry is only above VWAP for me. I don't like it. If you want to take it, I'd have a stop loss below the support level. So AIRE needs 0 point or needs VWAP reclaim. So VWAP does move due to it being a volume weighted or price weighted stock. I mean indicator. So whenever it goes up, it will go up. If this comes down, it'll go down. So it does change. If it's the same on every time frame. SOUN, very nice long-term play. I love this stock. I think it's great. I think it's a good investment. That is my honest opinion. I would have it for long-term. I would not be day trading or swing trading or anything like that with this. Definitely would be just focusing on it more for a longer-term trade. However, we have a support level around here, 1075. Let's do 1075. There you go. So 1075 like that. There you go. Yeah, 1075 looks very nice. Needs to hold this level. So some respecting support level. I mean, your next level's there, 1275 and 1385. This is based on larger time frame if you look left and then go up. Cabba paid me last night. Wow. Good job, good job, good job, good job, good job. I took a silly trade yesterday. Which one was it? Well, it was just very unlucky. It was just very unlucky. I didn't realize the range on it. I just came back from dinner and I gave the alert. It was NXTT. I think it even ran crazy after I alerted it. Yeah, this was it here. NXTT. So we entered at 241. We entered at 241, which was around here. Sorry, around here. We entered here and it came down 216 and then it ran up crazy. But I don't know why it was very volatile when we were entering here. This is where we traded here and obviously it just went straight up, then came straight down, which was unfortunate. It happens. No one's 100% correct, but I definitely would have taken that 500 times in a row. Same setup, I would always take it. Sometimes they don't work out. IONQ. This is bullish, I'm assuming, this is EV stock, right? Wow, look at this trend. It's been respecting this trend. Impressive. IONQ. We can do this. See this? Just move that out the way. Yeah, I mean, this is a good long-term play. I mean, these look very good. These, I think it's EV. Pretty sure it is. Or some flying cars or something, no? Still bullish. Still looks good, still looks good, still looks good. IONQ. KULR. KULR, I don't know why it's not doing it. Has it done anything or not? Yeah, KULR still nothing on this, guys. Look, the trend is extremely bearish. Look. Look at the chart. It's going straight down. Right? You don't want to be trading something like this. I would look for entries around in this demand zone level. So somewhere around here. This looks good for me. So demand zone. Yeah, this is perfect. So what I suggest is if it comes down into this demand zone that you can look for possible entries. So KULR. Look for entries in demand zone. Demand zone is where buyers step in. Buyers step in here to push it up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Can I do TSSI? TSSI is here. TSSI is ranging. Yeah, TSSI, nothing exciting on. I mean, it's just literally ranging here. What I'll do is I'll adjust some levels. Let's just clean this up. So we have a demand zone here. Last red candle for the move. We can just use the zone. There, we've now formed a demand zone. So now we've got our demand zone. That is kind of one of the first things I look for when I'm charting. And then try and identify where VWAP is. It's below VWAP, so obviously we don't want to be taking the trade. What we can do is identify there's a resistance, probably around here, right? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6, 7, even here, more rejection. So what I suggest is maybe if it gets above 1320 to look for entries. TSSI needs 1320 break, but that is still below VWAP. Even if it does break that level, it needs to close above VWAP. Thanks for TOPW analysis. No problem, my friend. No problem. Yes, tune up the votes. Nice. Toach, you need to get in the Discord, my friend. You are a YouTube legend in here, but you need to get in the Discord. It's a good time in there. INZY, this is just priced in, I think, or whatever it is. Yeah, $4 a share. So it's just going to be trading in this. Just leave INZY. You can't trade that. You can't trade something like that. BMGL, what's happening here? Are the Twitter posts better now? Or are they still delayed? BMGL for me, I mean, it's a Friday. You want to make it easy for yourself. I don't really know how to trade something like this because it's not my style. Maybe if it breaks this high here at 304, 305. You see here, 305. Check this. 303. So yeah, break above to go up. That's what you can wait for personally. So BMGL entries above 303. The reason why I say 303 is why. The high of intraday, I mean pre-market high, breaks its own high, can go up. That's what we have. Yes, to the boats, IMA's peak, WKSP. WKSP is down 10%, 5% yesterday. Looking at this chart, there's a lot of resistance here at 425. What I'm going to do is just clean this chart up a bit. Most recent resistance 364. So what I'm going to do is move it to 365 just to make it like a psychological level-ish. 350 would be ideal, but 365 does the job. So here we go. I would look for entries on this above 365. Right now it's bearish, downtrend, low volume, so you don't want to be trading it. Entries are only above 365. So above 365 looks good. All right. ACHR, this is great stock. Great stock. Been banging the table on this every single week, every single day in the Discord as well. I think it's a great stock. I think it has a lot of potential. This is a very, if I can't emphasize it enough, very good stock for long term. I like the company. I think it has a lot of potential. And overall, the stock is very bullish. It's very undervalued. It's only $13 a share, which is cheap. Very good LT long-term setup. Yep, very bullish on this. That does not mean go and take out alone, because that's just stupid. Love the cab alert. Mo Mog from Discord. What up, brother? Cab alert. Is it moving? Let's push it. Oh, you entered in the falling wedge. Let's go. Hims, another bullish stock. This thing is unbeatable still, right? Yeah. So it's just pulling back. I still think it's very good. You guys know, or those who don't know, what a strong bottom wick is. I explained that what it is in the Discord, but it is a very good sign if you get a strong bottom wick. That is what I will tell you. There is a candlestick seminar on your WAP portal for Discord members, so you can read and understand candlesticks and understand what they mean. What is a strong wick? What's a strong bottom wick? What's a strong top wick? So on and so forth. Bullish pennant. So it's not the cleanest bullish pennant, to be honest. I wouldn't really draw a bullish pennant like this, but overall trend looks good. Can I do EXO? Yes. EXO, nothing on EXO. Down 11% yesterday, 2% down. This thing is 39 cents. Look, 5-minute time frame, no volume. Very difficult to trade something like this. Yeah, so what I suggest is just simply avoiding this. If you're in it, I can't really help you other than just say that down more than 5% or something close to that number, I would just cut it. needs 0.4706 break. But what I would do is I would cut it, and if it breaks this level here, this yellow line, then I would say you could look for entries. RKLB. So yes, I will be here for when market opens. I'll be here for 30 minutes after market open. I'll be doing live trading in the Discord, trying to do my best to give some setups. And then I have to head out to go play some soccer, football. Okay, $26 is your major resistance on RKLB. This is also a very bullish setup, very nice stock. Don't know too much about the company, but always seems to have great news and it always seems to be very, very bullish. So in my opinion, this is definitely one to watch. Above $26, I would look for probably swing entries on this. So RKLB swing entries above $26. Let me just get this retweet out because I know a lot of people are now waking up in the US. The US people are rising up right now. They are rising from their sleep. So let me have a look here. Delete, repost. Right, we are live. Cool. SYTA, BOGL, yes, BOGL, nice. PTPI, SYTA. SYTA is a former runner, up 11%. Yeah, above 161, but it looks good right now. It's broken all these highs, breaking a resistance here as well. So this looks good. So SYTA, wait for 161 break. Breaks 161, then you have clean range to the upside, I'd say at least to 185. But I would just keep it on watch for now. PTPI, this was like a pump and dump yesterday, right? Yeah, PTPI, there's nothing on this. I would avoid this. I personally not even going to chart this because I don't see anything. Or I mean, if I want to chart it, like I would just draw a trend like that. Nothing exciting on this, to be honest. PTPI needs downtrend break. Needs downtrend break. Estimate target range from 11 to 18. Yeah. So Jerry, one thing I would suggest, or what I've learned, is people putting price targets. All these analysts have been trading for 600 years or whatever they've been doing. Price targets really mean nothing, in my opinion. At the end of the day, I can give you a price target and it means nothing. So that is, I think that it's not really important, to be honest. If something says it's going to $18 price target, yeah, it's I don't worry about that kind of stuff. I definitely wouldn't get caught up too much on it, and I wouldn't hold for those kind of levels. But if that's a style, or if you like the stock in general and you agree with that, then fair enough. But basing a trade off that news purely is not really my kind of style, if I'm honest with you. News scale, what is this play? What is this play? 30.50. I like this over $25. Big psych level as well, $25. So SMR, big resistance level at $25. That means if it breaks about 25, I'd look for entries. I definitely wouldn't buy close to this level. Need one more, yes. ASST. ASST is looking pretty decent, to be honest. Is this the one we traded yesterday in Discord? We have a lot of resistance around here, 750. See the 750 level? So 750, can wait for that. Break and close 750 maybe? Yeah, 750 and above, I would look for entries. So ASST, entries above 750. Always make sure to have a stop loss and target. Please don't just blindly enter any trades. It's not the way to trade. It's a stupid way to trade. ASST, QBT, RGTI. Thanks, Tiger. No problem, my friend. All right. Yeah, RGTI is very bullish. Looks good. I'm hoping to try and get in this first swing next week. Discord guys, I'll give it an alert if it does give us a setup. RGTI trying to break $12. This is very good. Definitely watch this one. It's been very, very good this week. QUBT, same sector as RGTI, I think so. Yeah, quantum. Same thing, very bullish chart. I'm just going to keep these levels because I have them here. 875. Can even use this resistance here prior. 955. I'm going to just use 950. There you go. There you go. These are your key levels for QUBT, but obviously this is a very bullish sector at the moment. Looks good. Longer term looks like it's reversing. QUBT key levels. Looks good though. QUBT, here's all the plays. QUBT, BBAI, RGTI, QSI, QUBT, RR, all of those. APLD, what's happening with APLD? APLD runs a Bitcoin, coming down, this is good. Very, very good. I'm going to be watching this play. Purple. Is NXTT reversing? We'll keep this on the watch list. Yeah, ABLD looks good. I'll just adjust this level here. There you go. At the moment it's pulling back, so maybe a pullback to this downtrend would be good. Sorry, to the trend. Excuse me, trend line. So we have APLD looking for pullback to trend for possible entries. When it gets to that level, when it gets to around the zone, what you can do is, when it gets to this level here or down to this trend line, go to a smaller time frame like the 5 minute. Once you get the 5 minute, then you can try and see what happens here and look for reversal patterns, continuation patterns, and so on for possible entries on it. VSTE breakout. Let me have a peek. No, VSTE nothing. Straight down. Like the stream, the man is putting you on his back. You heard him first. I'm putting you on the back. Do we still like Kaba? Let me have a peek. Is there things below view up now? Yeah, below view up. So I would wait for 220. That's why I have this level here. I personally would just cut it for now. Just cut it. Quick. Cut it quickly. Kaba, AMD. AMD, here we go. Trend, bull flag. Actually, this is looking good for calls, but it is a Friday, so just be careful. Do AMD have earnings ever or not? Or like when? When? So we have this AMD bull flag. Bull flag is a bullish pattern, so you expect price to go out. Where's my option, guys? AMD bull flag. AMD bull flag. SYTA, shoot. Where is that play? I was looking at it. Oh, it was above here. I like this above once. I know a lot of people are watching this. If you enter, you enter. You can try if you want. I'm not going to enter. I'm going to keep this on my watch list though, since a couple more people keep asking about it. SYTA, did this run yesterday or something? Why do I have this on my watch list? I don't know where it is. Find it again. SYTA. There we go. Up 11%. Very nice. Green price means 0. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, for day trading and that. There's a bunch of guys putting 1,000 and more PTs on game 5 years for 5 years and whether. Yeah, exactly. Correct. Where's Kitty Man? Tiger, I have a question for you. Long term. I have some long term investments, but mainly most of my money's in day trading, to be honest. Try to put some money into like crypto, like XRP, ETH, and that, but try to get Bitcoin at 50K. Unfortunately, didn't come down, so missed the boat on that one. GRYP. Entries above 129. Watch this level because it will break very quickly. Entries above 129. Watch it. Right? Can't have size enough. I put about 500 exclamation marks. SOAR. Like up the stream for a green day. Yes. If you like up the stream, you have a green day. If you don't, red day. SOA, I'm not too sure what you see on this, but nothing. No volume. You see these dots? Compare this chart to TOPW where we have candles, right? No volume, high volume. No volume, high volume. Guys, like up the stream. Like up the stream. Let me repost this link again. Edit post. Wait, can someone confirm? Are my posts still delayed on Twitter? And also, I need someone to confirm with me is, do you guys prefer me having it like verified so you guys can't post under my message under my post? Or do you want me to open my posts so you can comment? But in my opinion, you can just tag me and write something. OMEX. OMEX. OMEX, 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 OMEX. Very nice on OMEX. There you go. We have this as well here. Possible falling wedge on OMEX actually. Larger time frame setup on this. 0.88 cents. We have that there, and then we have this. There you go. Here we go, here we go, here we go. OMEX. I kind of like this setup, I'm not going to lie to you. Actually looks pretty good, longer term, larger time frame. Larger time frame. Guys, also ask some questions. Ask some questions as well. I'll be here for maybe like 10 more minutes. I'll be here for a little bit longer. So if you, as long as you guys ask some questions, decent questions, it can be anything trading related, about the Discord, about Twitter, or anything, any posts or colors, or anything you don't understand on my posts, or anything in general you struggle with, let me know. I'm here to help. I'm here right now. Take advantage, because I'm going to be gone in the Discord. Caps, nothing for me personally. Possible reversal, I mean, stop loss would be here. Yeah, it's a little bit of a too big of a stop loss for me personally. But maybe you could have a stop loss below the current candle if you do enter. Below the current candle. Okay, cool. They're receiving on time now. Nice. How do you know what crypto invest in or value? To be honest, I don't really know too much, but I just think about it logically. Like Bitcoin's 100,000, it must mean something. ETH is obviously pretty stable. It's worth something as well. Then XRP, I don't know. I just see a lot of talk of it, so I just put in money each month and see how it goes with that. But kind of just a situation where I would rather just put my money there, and you know, who knows what will happen, because I missed the boat a lot of times on crypto and I'm willing to try it, to be honest with you. How do you differ a bull flag to downtrend corridor to hell? Well, you don't want a strong downtrend like AMD. Like if it was coming down a lot, then you don't want to. Like if it was like coming down, you know, like that, then nothing. But it's like kind of a start of it, so we can see that's respecting the technicals pretty well to maybe push up. Like that's what I would suggest. AFMD, funny clips. I like your picture, my friend. I know you're spamming AFMD because it's running, but I see it. AFMD, I would definitely only take it above here. If you do enter, I would have a stop loss below support, which is right here, 0.2. But I don't trade, like I would not enter now, but if you do, you have a stop loss below here, because if it breaks its own low, there's a high probability to go down. I would take entries above 0.261. AFMD entries above 0.2610. All right, AFMD. Now we can add this to the watch list. See what's going on. 170%, exciting, fun stuff. AGMH here and IXM. No, they're not. Okay, cool. Tag and right cuts down the Bushy accounts. Yeah, true. I have over 1,500 or nearly 2,000 accounts blocked. MKDW, nothing on this. Overall chart is not great, to be honest. I know it's just ran up, but here, nothing, just ranging, right? So nothing exciting. Will you be offering? Yeah. So I didn't give options. I forgot to give it on Tuesday, to be honest, but normally I give it every Monday. I didn't give on Monday because I thought there was some news coming out over the weekend, so I avoided it, and I didn't want my plays to be up or down off our entry. So yes, Monday I'll be posting, or Sunday night. I'm just gonna, moving forward, I'm just gonna, with the option trades, I'm gonna give larger target, larger range for you guys to enter, because obviously Monday, I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know what's gonna happen on the weekend, what news is gonna come on Sunday or anything. So kind of just give you that range to enter, and then from there we just trade based off the technical. So yeah, I'll be giving on Monday. I will be giving on Monday, probably 2 or 3. Just depends if I can find it. I won't just give any old swings for the sake of it, but yeah, I'll do my best. SoFi was very good last week though, or 2 weeks ago. AFMB is right here. TRX crypto. This one. No, it's probably on TradingView, right? It's on TradingView. All right, let me go through my watch list and then I'll be with you guys. So I'm gonna head to Discord. So 161 break on SYTA for entries. NXTT is coming down, but I'm just gonna watch it here. It is a runner. TOPW looks very good actually into open. I would definitely consider watching this trade today. We have caps. Caps needs to get above VWAP. Personally would wait for $5. AMST, I still do like this, but volume is dying. How do we know? Look at these candles. Large candles indicates high volume. Small, low volume. Space, downtrend, no good on this. Space, I'm just going to delete, to be honest with you. Kaba, I do like this play now. It's actually looking pretty good. Starting to form an uptrend. Market's about to open soon, so it looks like buyers are stepping in, but I would still wait for 220. Kaba, still wait for 220 break to enter. So you see, I'm educating you. I'm telling you to wait for that level. Why this level? Because we have a resistance here. Break above resistance, high probability to go up. GRYP still 129. TSSI needs what, 1320. TGL, nothing exciting. It's just ranging. TSSI, IXHL needs this level here. I like this play. It's very bullish. IXHL expecting breakout. I would definitely probably enter this play and have a stop loss. Larger stop loss, but looks good. AGMH, I'm going to remove AGMH. AFMD, people are watching this one as well. Swing common stocks. Yeah, just swing common stocks. Yeah, I give options, but they're more for day trades. I can give, I mean, people take option setups off my swing trade. So you can do common shares or options off them. So obviously they would only be, they would only be calls. They wouldn't be puts on my plays. Let's go. Yeah, I don't pump stocks. I never do it. Stock doesn't mean anything. It doesn't mean anything. Pumping stocks is waste of time. ABT, for me, nothing on this. Too low volume, needs to break above 135 for continuation. TOPW to the moon garbage here, yeah. Yeah, I never post in that stuff. TOPW does look good though. Is above VWAP. Closes above here VWAP, then I would use candlestick strategy for this. All right. Fridays, just for a heads up for those who are going to join Discord or who are in the Discord and you guys already know, but Fridays are a very short day here in Discord. Hassi does not trade Fridays. He pops in and out on Fridays. He doesn't trade though. I am here pre-market as normal on Fridays, and then I live trade for 30 minutes after open. As I have other commitments here in Dubai. I live in Dubai. It's 5 p.m. So yeah, I have to leave by 6:15 here because I have to leave because I have other stuff to do. All right, but Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we do live trading every single day. We give option alerts, we give day trade alerts, we give swing trade alerts, we give you seminars, how we trade and everything. So lot of education for what you get. All right. So if you're willing to join, feel free. It is a month from when you join. So if you join today, it is not, you don't have 15 days or whenever the end of the month is. You don't have that. Okay. You have a whole month from the day you join. All right. So if you cancel today, you join today, cancel today, you will still have access for the full month. It just will not auto renew. If you don't cancel before the end of the month and you want to stay, then you don't have to touch anything. It will just auto renew. All right. Hope you guys have a great day, great weekend.